FM demodulation. Today's topic is FM demodulation. There are basically four methods of FM demodulation. First method of FM demodulation is slope detector, one of the simplest method among four. Second method is balanced slope detector. Third method is ratio detector. Fourth method is Foster-Seeley phase shift circuit. First two methods depend on frequency and last two method depends on phase change. So first method of FM demodulation is FM slope detector. It is the easiest method of demodulation. FM slope detection is a concept that can be used to recover message from FM signal. So what we are doing, we are actually designing FM demodulator. FM demodulator means what will be the output of FM demodulator? An FM modulated signal. So ST is basically a FM modulated signal. So ST is a FM modulated signal. Then in this block diagram there are two main blocks. First one is slope circuit and second block is a envelope detector. Slope circuit is a block which will convert FM signal to AM signal. So S1T is a AM signal, means amplitude modulated signal. Then there is a envelope detector. We know that envelope detector is a very good AM demodulator circuit. So this block will convert our AM signal to message signal. We can use one differentiator instead of slope circuit. So you can use any slope circuit. Differentiator is one of the slope circuit. So instead of slope circuit we can use differentiator. Differentiator followed by a envelope detector. So input to the differentiator will be our FM wave and output of envelope detector will be our message signal. So suppose this is a generalized equation or expression of our FM modulated waveform. ST, which is input to our differentiator. So suppose generalized equation is AC cos omega CT. Omega CT is 2 pi FCT plus 2 pi KF integration of MT dt, where Fi is equal to Fc plus KF MT. Let slope circuit is simply a differentiator. So output of differentiator will be the differentiation of this expression. So what we have to do, we have to differentiate this expression. We know that differentiation of cos is minus sine. So differentiation of cos is minus sine and this expression will come as it is here. Then we have to again differentiate this expression with respect to t. So differentiation of 2 pi fct, 2 pi fc constant term hai. So differentiation of 2 pi fct will be 2 pi fc plus, it is an integration sign. So differentiation of integration will be the message as it is. So 2 pi kf mt. Now this is actually the output of differentiator. Now we will pass this differentiator to an envelope detector. Envelope detector will detect actually the envelope of the message, envelope of the message or envelope of the input. So this is the input signal and envelope of this input means amplitude of magnitude of sine is this term. So output of envelope detector will be this term, which is actually the magnitude of this sine expression. So S0t, which is the output, will be minus AC 2 pi fc plus 2 pi kf mt. This term is actually a constant term. There is no message, cos, sine, etc. here, but here we are getting our message signal. So in this way we can generate our message signal by using a simple slope circuit or a slope detector, which is the combination of slope circuit plus a envelope detector. This is the circuit diagram of FM slope detector. Here see, in this circuit diagram we are providing FM signal as an input to the circuit. Then this is one tuned circuit. So this is basically a tuned circuit which is followed by an envelope detector. So this is actually a differentiator. This tuned circuit works as a differentiator, and which is followed by envelope detector. We know that the circuit of envelope detector is diode followed by a capacitor and a resistor. So this is envelope detector and this is a tuned circuit which is a differentiator. Okay, so it is our block 1 and this is our block 2, which is envelope detector. So this is a circuit diagram of, this is actually the circuit diagram of our FM slope detector. Now just look at the characteristic of tuned circuit. So this is tuned circuit and this is the characteristic of tuned circuit, which is basically a graph between frequency and voltage. It provides us mapping between frequency and voltage. So input to the tuned circuit is FM modulated signal. So frequency will vary continuously. So here we are showing frequency variation, and this graph will convert frequency into voltage. So it will map as frequency will change, at the output of tuned circuit voltage will change. As frequency will change from this point to this point, voltage will change from this point to this point. Okay, so variation of frequency at the input, and here variation of amplitude at the output of tuned circuit. So this is the output of tuned circuit, and after that there is an envelope detector which will detect the envelope. Envelope means this is the envelope of output. So I can show it by using pen. So this is basically the envelope of, this is the envelope of our signal. So which is actually the message signal. Okay. Advantage and disadvantage of slope detector. First advantage is it is very simple method, very simple to design, cost effective, and we can detect FM without using any additional circuitry. But there are some disadvantages, like non-linear, as output is depend upon the curve of the filter, curve of a filter. So it's non-linear. It's not particularly effective, as it requires the signal to be centered on the falling response of a filter. This means that signal cannot be received at its maximum signal strength. Both frequency and amplitude variations are demodulated, and this means that much higher level of noise and interference are experienced. So noise इसमें थोड़ा ज़्यादा होता है. So this is our slope detector method and very important from exam point of view. Thank you.